poetry one. You are taking our land and discouraging us from learning. Your motto of life and thorns of life. Remove the thorns.
Look at our school environment. It is not conducive for learning. Not really the school compound, flowers and grasses that beautifies our school compound. We have no shade, limited outside. The reason disturb our school compound because of non-green planting. The ordinance during daytime as if we are burning.
You are crying, searching for greens. Administrators, where do you stay? Do you think you stay in the school without any green? Do you think when our life is at stake? Do you? Oh, this is a thorn. Remove the thorns.
The life of the young ones is always shattered. The reason they go so horrible, we cry. We gonna do whenever we fall.
Whenever we fall.
But late and right, we see no light.
We see no light. Remove the thorns.
We as good people so find it's a problem. When nature have changed, we find it's a problem. We do cry when searching for greens.
They do cry. We're searching for greens.
Even at bedtime, no good shade for reading and playing in magic. Although we have them indeed as so limit, a challenge them come on how to overcome them. This is a thorns.
Remove the thorns.
Reading school.
Breathing environment. Climate resilience.
Climate resilience school provides a learning environment, not at the climate to improve the learning.
Bit by bit can open the door.
Climate resilience, our new vision.
This is the moment to go green.
Fight global warming by planting trees.
This will help to improve the temperature.
Plant trees in the school environment.
It provides a learning environment.
Flowers and grasses should be planted at school.
This will help to control soil erosion. Remove the thorns. The time is now to change this mess. But parents, why not give us a protection and teachers to give us education? Protection and acting education. Dancing and my vibration. No longer look up in desperation. My country come in adoration. Education attracting mobilization. Living a world of sterilization. Our economy is for the combination. Greening environment, our proportion.
Education, protection,
Transforming our household.
our community.